proper way to be able to do research. We're wrong, but believe me, we stick with it long enough.
One day we're going to be right.
Yeah, one day we'll be right. David, we're at that moment where we haven't had any real earnings. Now, Oracle will be good. I think Oracle will be good.
You think Oracle will be?
Yeah, but it's up 4.
Right.
I mean, it's a jinx on Saffron. It's a jinx. She's superstitious.
How important is the call on something like Oracle, or not necessarily?
Very, because for Larry Ellison, it will eviscerate everyone.
Does he get on the conference call?
He always has there's a Q&A and suddenly pipes up.
Okay.
And usually it just says, it's kind of
Good morning, everyone. For everyone, my apologies on not being able to do the Zoom on Sunday. I had to go out of town. Let everyone know. What's up? Yes, currently, so this morning I am looking to short. So I am currently in one contract short of the NASDAQ. And as you can see here on my screen, this dotted line. So we see this green dotted line, right? So this green dotted line represents the new contracts that just came into play, right? And as you can see from where the old contract closed at and where the new contract opened up yesterday at 6 p.m., there's a massive gap up, right? So the gap is 14,572 to 14,733, right? So over 150 point gap. So I am currently short on the NASDAQ, one contract. I'm looking to add to my position because these gaps do get filled, right? So I'm not interested in any longs. I am looking for shorts today. So if you guys were in Dex room, you'll see I pointed out today I'm looking to short NASDAQ. I'm looking to short ES and the Dow Jones. I'm currently in one contract short on NASDAQ. I'm also short on NASDAQ, ES, and Dow Jones on a Forex brokerage. All right. So today's this thing comes down, at least it comes down to test the prior daily high, which was 14,687. If it comes down to that level, at least it'll be a very nice start to the Monday, to the week. So Money Mondays. And I can show you how it looks like on the Dow. Same thing with the Dow, right? Massive gap up on contract rollover. We might push one more time to test the 3430 300 area and then drop. On ES, same thing. ES, massive gap up, right? So I know these gap ups are going to get filled. Now, it may not fill it completely today because we have CPI this week. So if it doesn't fill it today, then it'll most likely have it filled before or when CPI comes out this week. So let's see if you guys have any questions. Good morning. I am currently in the mini. I'm in one contract short on the mini. I'm not gonna add until I get confirmation. So, but I would do recommend that you guys that are new trade the micro, okay? Trade the micros.
And then separately start laying
I contacted TOS and they said
portions. And then
use.
and I think that those who say it's malicious, they should watch that interview and listen to you.
So let me see. M23. Give me a second, I'll let you know right now. Products. They said for you to use ESM23. Yeah, so ESM23. So you see right here on my screen, ESM23, it expires in 4 days. Now you could trade that if you want to, but I prefer to trade whichever current contract has more volume. And you can see that the current contract was it? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, ES, I guess it would be. Let me put the M in front of it. Okay. So yeah, so it would be MES U23, which is active, and you can see that it has more volume than MES M23. So I generally like to trade the contract that has the most volume. And again, this contract MES M23 is going to expire in 4 days. So the volume in this is not going to be as significant as the new one. So I always like to trade the newest current contract that has the most volume. So if you're on TOS, you can just come on into all products and you can see all the contracts that are following. You can see the current price of them, the current volume, and then you can trade any one of these. And again, I always like to stay with the most active and the one that has the most volume. And the one that has the most volume is MESSU23 or ESSU23. Back to charts, back to charts. Let's take a look at NQ. So it has 4 days left.
Any association with him was a mistake, and we regret it. We would never have continued to do business with him if we believed he was using our bank in any way to help commit heinous
Copy that.
spokesman for the U.S. Virgin
Let's see. Gotcha. Thank you, guys. How was your weekend? Was lit, man. I had a very good busy weekend. I mean, I think I went through like 3 different states this weekend. Boston, Connecticut, New York. It was good. It was a good weekend. I can't complain. How about yourself? I wasn't able to do the Zoom at 5 yesterday because I was in New York at that time. Ended up meeting up with this venture capitalist group. So yeah, trying to get some funds for some projects. But how about you guys, man? How did you guys weekend go? Did you guys have a good time? Did you enjoy the weather? Was it raining? Did anybody do some charting, some back testing?
But the back and forth between
scheduled to be deposed this past weekend. He was a high-ranking Jamie executive with a very close personal relationship with Jeffrey Epstein.
What time is it? 9:15. Just a chill weekend for me always.
That lawsuit between JP Morgan now suing Jess Staley, that continues. So we'll see.
Oh wait, you're in Dubai, bro? Stop. You're in Dubai?
There's an unsavory person next to you.
That's my third home, bro. That is my third home. Can't wait to go back.
Everybody who's supposed to be like killed
I miss it.
marry your ghost, steal color. I get what you do, major executive. So, I mean, I personally that it is odious and really good
Very
people
tight.
to not like him for something caught up with a guy, an
Oh snap, Ronnie! What? You had a bachelor party? Where was the invite, my brother?
just saying, listen,
Congratulations.
Jess Staley against you raising $1 billion.
It's good questions. I don't know what the chain of command
Oh, Habibi, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, best believe it. I'm coming.
Let's shut up. We gotta make time here because we got a lot to talk about in the next block of our show, including that NASDAQ deal.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
We're gonna dig into it. Let's give you a look at futures here as we get ready to open 15 minutes from now. Just welcome the screen straight ahead.
All right, so I'm about to add a position on the Dow.
Order submitted.
I'm hitting the ask. Actually, no, I hit the bid. Come on. Come on, fill me. Only one contract. I think at the open, we're definitely probably just going to slide to the downside.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay, I just canceled the ask and I just hit the bid on the Dow. Just because it looks to me that it's not gonna pop at the open. I may be wrong, which again is why I'm only going in one contract. And I'll leave room to add if it retests the high. I know overall this gap is going to fill. So as long as I don't take too big of positions, I'll be able to sustain a nice pop to the upside before, you know, the full on movement happens. But nonetheless, like, I'm only willing to risk about 50 points. So I can risk 50 points on one contract. If I get stopped out, I'll just look to re-enter. And then on the re-entry, once I get confirmation, I can add a second or a third contract to the downside. Like, can you believe the man had a bachelor party and even tell us nothing? Like, party. Okay. Currently in about 30 ticks. Nice, nice. Gold is looking pretty good too. Yeah, I like gold for a sub movement below 1971. I see gold potentially dropping to below 1968. So good short on that. 1 hour high, lower high, run stop, lower high, lower highs.
So they can't sell 50% for at least 6 months. The other 50% holder here of a significant amount of NASDAQ shares. You can see that. Run rate synergies, revenue synergies, 50 million. So of course you say, hey, that takes the multiple down. I think about 31 times this year's EBITDA for the company, but it is growing at 15%. It does seem like a high multiple, also a very high multiple on revenues, but EBITDA margins here is probably more important to cite. EBITDA as opposed to revenues.
Okay, Dow's looking good on the short side, up 7 points on it.
50+% margins here will have at least NASDAQ's effect of actually raising its EBITDA margins as well, despite what is that very significant multiple that the company is garnering. They're going to take their leverage ratio to 7 times by adding $5.9 billion in debt that they said they're going to deliver.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, buddy. Come on. CSPA, your AD finally looking better.
They did well here. They bought these two companies that were put together to create Denza. They bought one in December of 20 for $2 billion, I'm told, and another, Calypso, in July of 21 for $3.75 billion. So that's $5.75 billion. Let's call it $3.75 billion in equity that they've got in there. They're going to make some money, but again, they are choosing, Jim, to sort of move into NASDAQ stock as a significant part of what they're taking in here for the companies they put together, bought, and then have now sold. NASDAQ is not a markets business. It is 77% is now going to be what they call the solutions business, essentially products like this one that they'll be offering to customers such as banks.
I think we're going to consider it the way we do a lot of the
Yes, yes, let it come down. Let it come down. Actually, I'm going to set an alert on gold for once it gets below 1968.70 for a potential bounce play.
What a great way. You bring a company public and you say, hey, you need this. You go back to all the companies that are NASDAQ companies, you need this, and you go to your stock exchange. Suddenly you're in.
NASDAQ is being a turd. Okay, Dow's looking good. Let's go, Dow Jones. Yeah, buddy. Up 15 points on my Dow Jones short, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Dow's looking saucy. Some H2O. Here. That was being difficult. We got some time. Let's listen to a little motivational speech this morning. Let's get ready. Let's see what's a good one. Until I win. Over until I win.
If you want to make your dream become reality, the people that are running after dreams know that it's possible that you can live your dream. That it's necessary that you're relentless, that you're practice, that you are great. The people that are
I'm up 20 points, guys. Up 22 points now on that Dow Jones short. I hope y'all took it with me, even if you guys did it on the micro. So the contract rollover. So again, let me show you Dow. Okay. So the contract rollovers happens 3 to 4 days prior to the old contract expiring. So now if you're currently in an old position, like if you were swing trading and you were still in the old contract, you would have to close it out and then rebuy or reshort the new contract, right? But we've been day trading and scalping, so it's in and out. So this gap up that it created will get filled. Now, it may not fill it entirely today. I hope it does. But if it doesn't fill it entirely today, by tomorrow, latest CPI, right, which I believe is Wednesday. So yeah, so overall, like every pop on the market, I'm shorting. I'm not going in too heavy until I get a nice confirmation. Once I get like a confirmation that it's ready to fill that, I'm going heavy. I'm going but wow heavy. Probably might do like 5 or 10 contracts short, or I'll scale in to have like about 5 or 10 contracts short. But it's looking really good, guys. Looking really, really good. I'm setting some limit orders. All right, we have 3 minutes left. Oh, shoot. Should be a very nice week. Damn. Yeah, and I'm seeing how GU and EU are also both dropping. This is a very good sign of strong dollar, which when the dollar is strong, the market goes down. It's nice, very nice.
Lose. There's those of you out there, you lose it, and you don't deserve to lose. Put in the work. You worked hard, and you lose it. Turn that around. The people that are running after their dream know they're going to have hard times.
So good morning, Gator. Gator, my brother. What's up?
I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad
What's
it
up,
is,
bro?
how bad it gets, I'm going to make
Bro, yo, we gotta chop it up later, man. You gotta let me know how this weekend was, man. It looked like a straight movie.
people that are hungry. Listen to me very closely. Some of you are broke. Listen to me, you're not broke. Right? We got gas money. And we're not just talking about money. You're broke in your relationships. You're broke in your health.
Yeah, bro, that summit looked lit, man. Oh, so sad I couldn't make it. Next year, bro. Next year, yo, we turning up. Yeah, get off the couch.
None of us are having enough time. You've got to have the strength of character to concentrate, to read, to digest information. You've got to learn how to become resourceful. You've got to learn how to
goes up. Great. It says this is still
We're live. Let's go. Let's
I call
go.
revenge travel. This is the long on money, short on time thesis. People are still doing international now.
Damn, what a
If you
pop
know
up.
that with what
Come on,
actually
baby.
MasterCard has a piece out this
Don't
morning.
play
They
with
do
me.
their survey of spending. David, it is incredible. We are still seeing consumer demand for experiences continue in May. Restaurant sector posted stronger year-over-year growth. Mother's Day weekend, David, was very, very strong. So we're still
He's marking off some levels. Yeah, come on, Nas. Come on. There we go. Oh, let's go. Guys, if you're not in, short the NASDAQ. Short the NASDAQ, people. Ooh, Dow Jones gave us a nice re-entry if you didn't take it. I'm only up 6 points right now on Nas, on Dow. Wrong one. Okay, come on. I noticed that fake out.
They're still out
Ooh.
there. These facts.
Oh, Dow. Whoa, buddy.
U.S. Bank were
Okay.
this morning.
Massive divergence. NASDAQ is dropping. Dow Jones is pushing.
In the mini bank crisis.
Kind of fuckery is this?
And I saw this as U.S. Bank was a very, very good bank. And when I see these kinds of things, I say to myself, at what point?
Only risking 50 points on the Dow. If I get stopped out, I'll look for a re-entry.
Versus what's going on, say, with AMD. People just won't. They just won't go there.
Okay. NASDAQ is dropping. Come on.
No one's going to just be
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes. Ooh, we're shorting ES. Shorting ES. Shorting ES.
Order filled.
Hitting the bid. 43.55. 0.75 is my entry. Ooh. Girl, be nice to me. It's like, be nice to me. Let's go. Gold drop. Let's go. Gold sub 1971. Can we get 1968? I think we can. Probably might go even lower. Gold might actually drop all the way down to 1965. NASDAQ is the... Come on, yes. Dow is still pushing. I had a feeling it might come retest that 34,300 area before going lower, so right in line. I'm only in one contract, so I have room to add an additional 4 before I get anywhere near my percentage risk on the day. Damn, baby. Like, that's how you feel? This can't be how you feel.
So I come back and I say, all right, where can I go where the numbers are too low?
I don't know. How about you just go to Tesla? Because everybody else seems to be going to Tesla, Jim. Stock is now up 101% this year. It is approaching an $800 million market value again. Remember, it is well off still its all-time highs. We're at more than $1 trillion value. Nonetheless, this
NASDAQ with the BS.
straight
This is more of gains. Is that you look at
They're gonna play some games this morning, a little back and forth, and then drop. So patiently waiting. Probably should have taken the 25 points on Dow and look to rescale in, but it's all good. Minus 30 points right now. She's still going. Oh. Ooh. Man. Gotta do some stretching later. About to get stopped out on the Dow. Oh, nope, not yet. Okay. Getting very, very close. Don't play with me. Play with your mama. Don't play with me. So I should add, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait. Ooh, ooh, oh, look at that fake out. Ooh. Damn, okay. Ooh, it came this close to stopping us out. Or at least me. I don't know if you guys are in it, but it came this close. Ooh. Turned around right at like I was down 44 points and whoop, flip. Only down 15. Let's see what you got. What's going on here? We should make one here. Oh, a summit, bro? Let's see. Yes, gold is working. Morning. Live in direct, brother. My bad. Morning. Okay, so for anyone joining, I am short the markets. I am only interested in shorting Dow Jones, NASDAQ, ES. Reason being, we had a massive contract rollover last night, which you can see this dotted line on my screen, right? This is the new contract. Look at where the old contract closed, where the new contract opened yesterday at 6 p.m. For this reason, I am short, and I will continue to short until this gap is filled. I'm not taking any longs until that gap is filled. Once that gap is filled, then I'll reassess and possibly look to take longs. But as you can see, look at Dow did exactly as I was expecting. Another potential run up at the open, possibly to 300. And now I just want to see it get below 200, which would definitely give me confirmation that we could get at least another 100 to 50 point drop, which I'll probably like add. But I'll probably do that on the Forex side, since on the Forex side, all my positions are individual versus on Thinkorswim, on Ninja Trader, Apex, it's all grouped. So it's first in, first out. But on Forex, I control which positions I close. Let's go, baby. Ooh, and look at ES and was it EU is dropping, GBP USD, which is GU. So GU is GBP USD. As the dollar is stronger, that pair is going to go down. EU, which is euro versus US dollar is strong, so that pair is going to go down. The market is going to go down. It's about to be a lovely freaking Monday, man. It's about to be a lovely freaking Monday. The first time, hell yeah, they should host it in New York as well. But I mean, they wouldn't be. They would all have to like ship their freaking cars up there, bro. Let's see. I'm sure next year. Grabbing another Apex account today. All right, get it, bro. That's what's up. Rack up on them counts. But do be sure to at least, bro. You wanna at least like get an account in profits and get a payout, bro. It hits different. Like you gotta get a payout. What? No. Since when? Yeah, but it's the same thing. It's like you're switching from first in, first out to last in, first out, which is like sometimes I might not want to do that. Sometimes I want to, switch close the middle position. So I still just ooh, whoa, what a reversal. I still prefer trading the indices, the futures with forex brokerages, just because I can hedge, I can close whichever positions I want. So it still gives me way more control than it does on TOS, than it does on Apex and Ninja Trader. So, but okay, wow, damn, what a reversal on the Dow. Good lord. I was not playing. Bro, hell of a bounce. Like I was like what, like 15, 16 points in profits, and then whoop, flip. Oh, what a turd. It's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. It's all good in the neighborhood. Da, 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 da. So they just ran the highs one more time on the Dow. So all right, took a small 50-point loss. I'm gonna wait and look to get back in. Games they play, man. The games. Don't play with me. You've been telling me. Bro, the FX side is amazing, bro. The margins are stupid low. Look it. Okay, let's look at. Okay, so we all know Apex, Ninja Trader. Well, Apex is using Ninja Trader. So Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, right? To trade, I want to say before it was 500, so it might be like 1,000. The margin is significantly lesser than. Okay, so look at ES 12,320 on ES. Okay, the micro ES is 1,200. You could do 2 contracts on Ninja Trader or Tradeovate with this margin, versus on Thinkorswim you can only do 1, right? Now, if I go and I look at the margin requirements on the Forex side, it's stupid. It's stupid low. So right now on one of my accounts, I'm in two lots short on Nasdaq, 2 lots short on SPX 500, and 2 lots short on US 30, which is the Dow Jones. Okay, now the margin requirement collectively for these positions is 5,282. Okay, now these positions, I want to say on the future side, the equivalence of it is what? I want to say it's the equivalence of. So on the Nasdaq, it's the equivalence of 1 full mini. Same thing for SPX, and for the Dow, it's like so for the Dow it's like, yeah, it would be like 2 minis for the Dow. So major difference. And yeah, I'll be making videos going over lot sizes and stuff like that based on which firm, right? Different firms, their lot size, which is the positions, pays differently. Just like, different firms have different margin requirements to trade certain asset classes. Yeah, they do, but honestly, dude, like it's not bad. Like, as long, it just forces you to be like more disciplined and very strategic in your entries when you have that trailing stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, baby. Like, y'all want to see what the what? And add another contract. So that sound right there, that was me just adding another position to the Dow Jones on the Forex side, not the future side, because I got stopped out on that one. Let's go. Once the drop comes in, I'll show y'all the P&L. Right now, I'm only down about 960, 920. Oh, uh-oh, Dow's going. Woohoo! You turd. Let me. You know what? Fuck it. Don't care. Y'all can see this. It don't matter to me. About to show y'all some P&L, bruh. Lobby. Okay, okay, let's go. Y'all see this collapse on the Dow? Check this out. Check this out. It's much more now. Down 190, 200. This fluctuation on the Dow. Come on, B. Yeah, it's a massive divergence, but Nasdaq will end up following. It's just a fake out. Just little fake outs. Especially since, like, you know, they're also talking about how the feds are still want to raise rates, right? They're still thinking like, oh, the feds are gonna pause, da da da. It's like, nope, they're still gonna raise. Good morning, team. Yeah. What's up, Tivo, my guy? Where you been, bro? Nope, actually that account started off at 100K. So I could risk a little bit of profits. Per day, at least 1 to 2% per day. Monthly, I mean, it just depends if I hit my 1 to 2% a day. I mean, I'm looking at roughly about 25K a month. If I do 2% a day or close to it, it'll average somewhere about maybe 40 to 50K a month. Yeah, so all of this back and forth that it's doing, it's just it's just manipulation back and forth. So like I said, every pop that this market does, as of today, like I'm shorting, at least until the gap fill. Gold has gone below 1968. Oh my Habibi, tell me you have that gold. Ah, wonderful. So right at the top, you can see my alert went off. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Get it. Get it. Let's go. Wonderful, wonderful. See Nas. Nas still playing little games. It's like, come on. Ooh, gold was just beautiful. Wow. Beautiful catch. Beautiful catch. Yeah, and just another thing, like this is a scalper's market, so it's in, out, get your money, keep it pushing. Oof, man. Games to games. One. So much phones is like, which one do we use? Yo, Dow Jones is really putting on a show today. Bro. The hell? On mine, so on mine it's different because I'm in the new contract, right? You're probably still in trade all products. Yeah, you're still in NQM23. I'm trading NQU23. We're on two different contracts. You're on the old one that expires in 4 days. I'm on NQU23. That's looking better. Come on. Come on, Nas, break down already. You're welcome. Gold still dropping. Oof. Gold got no legs. Gold got no legs. Oof. Damn. Like, can the market do the same thing? Like, Habibi, come to Dubai. Gold is just dead. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Sub 1965. Ooh, Lord, damn. Downside targets was on point, huh? Jofty. I need me some tunes. Let me put some tunes on, cause this is, whew, my God, GU, good Lord. Oh, yo, Nasdaq is just consolidating. Like, I'm looking at it on a 3-minute time frame, and it's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, pick a direction and just do your thing already. Oh. Come on. Oh, yeah, I want to know what I'm listening to right now? I know they tend to. Where the hell did it go? This has been my jam all weekend. YouTube might cut it out, but oh well. Right now it's just waiting. Pop. Possibly. But this, like right now, it's just like testing out people's patience. Like this thing's coming down. I'm just waiting. Yep, agreed. This is my tunes all weekend. Ooh, they should get amped. Let's go, Nas. Come on. I like the NASDAQ a lot better. Yeah, under 14,780. Let's go. Let's go. Feel like this part right here be like do the running man. Yeah, it is, bro. It is, bro. It's coming. It's coming. Oh my, come on. We probably might get it off the London guys. The way they're acting right now. It's like, bro, why you playing so much games? Call me DJ Trades. And gold still has more downside, maybe. There we go, NASDAQ, finally. Ah, let's go. Let's go, Nas. Woo, slide, baby, slide. Let's go. Give me this. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yeah. All right. As long as it stays below.
7% so far this year. Let's get to Christina Parts with a
Can you guys hear me good?
most overbought and oversold.
I mean, oh, whoa, how you do that? Oh, you gotta be very cautious. Can you hear me now? And just show me that OBS had to reconnect. You guys can hear me now, right? Yeah, somehow OBS this